Hi guys! I know I've already uploaded a video today, but I just watched Thrift Fix, April Fool's joke, and actually I thought it was a great idea because as someone who's struggled with being made fun of for having a mustache, it's actually kind of nice for someone to talk about it and not shame you for it. Granted, she has one too, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it with her because who cares? First one is to show it to you guys. Hopefully we got a good shot in there. I might have to freeze the screen just so you can see it. When did I become aware of my mustache? Very, very young. I was like kindergarten, and kids were making fun of me for it, like young. I was a little bitty baby, and like after that I was like, wait, I have a mustache. What? I'm Italian and Native American, so like even though it's not like a hormone thing or anything, it just grows in dark. Have I ever removed my mustache? Yes. Why? Because I hate it. It grows in very thick and dark because all of my hair grows in thick and dark, and it's hard. I got bullied or made fun of for it for most of my life, and I was actually dealing with some other stuff for a long time, so that really didn't even bother me that much. But it was just hard because it just added insult to injury, so getting rid of it made me feel a million times better. But the first time I did, I was super embarrassed about it, so I like literally made jokes because I wasn't sure if anyone else was going to make fun of me for removing it. So I was like, look, I found a fake mustache. It's me again. Like, I was just embarrassed. Best and worst removal method. I have tried several different ways. Shaving doesn't last as long, so I don't like doing it, but I will if I'm in a pinch. Waxing is the easiest, fastest route to go just because I can rip it off, but it's kind of irritating because sometimes the little baby thin hairs get missed, and no matter how much you put wax down, you end up missing it, and then you have red irritated skin just from laying it down and picking it up so much. So I have found using Nair, just regular face Nair, is the best way for me to remove it. I can edit a video or put dishes away or just, you know, regular routine while I'm waiting for it to remove my hair, and then wipe it off a few minutes later and I don't even notice it's there. I don't really love my mustache at all. Just as someone who literally got picked on for so long about it, it's not one of my favorite features at all. What is my nickname? I don't have a nickname for it, but in high school people used to call me George because I had one, and they used to make fun of me relentlessly for it, so they called me George because that was a man's name, and I look like a man with a mustache, so I was George. What does your mustache say about you? It says, I'm hiding because it's been removed. I do not wear my mustache. And, you know, it sucks because if I'm, you know, living my daily life and I don't think about it, then it grows in, and then I get super self-conscious about it, and it's terrible, and then I'm just like anxious to get it removed, and it's awful. What is my biggest mustache regret? I tried to bleach it once, and not with like the hair bleaching stuff, with like Clorox, like laundry detergent, like the actual bleach, and I ended up giving myself a chemical burn across my lip because I first tried it with the liquid bleach, and I left it on for like 20 minutes and nothing changed, and then I tried the Clorox pen bleach, and it didn't work either, and I just had like this awful red chemical burn because I just left it on forever hoping that it would eventually bleach my mustache and make it blend in without removing it, because my mom would never allow me to remove it. What is your dream mustache? I don't have one. I just wish that, like, I know I don't think anyone should make fun of someone for having one, and if they let it grow in naturally, then, you know, you shouldn't pick on somebody, but I personally wish I didn't have one, just because of how much I got made fun of for it and whatnot. I just would rather not have it. Who is my mustache crush? Besides my husband, who's my biggest crush, I would have to say Johnny Depp. Like, always and forever. Sorry guys. There you go. Yeah, Johnny Depp. He is one fine piece of booty. Anyway, yeah, so hopefully this helps shed some light on the subject and maybe make you a little bit aware that, like, maybe you shouldn't make fun of someone for something that they can't help control, because chances are they know about it. Chances are that they hate it just as much as you want to talk about it and bring them down for it. Like I said, in high school, my mom would not let me remove it at all, so I literally had to sit through it and be embarrassed all the time. And I would get comments, well, why don't you get rid of it? Why don't you remove it? And I'd be like, I would, but I'm not allowed to. My mom would literally beat me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you're feeling the same way, or you just think this tag is funny, I tag you to do this tag, because, you know, it's not that serious. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of my other videos down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!